I am Nick Hopkins from Truckee, California. I am a trained and certified heavy equipment operating engineer. This is my video resume. It is in two parts: equipment skills and certificates. First, my equipment skills. For each piece of equipment mentioned here, I did a walk-around inspection, control identification, startup procedures, equipment-specific tasks, and shutdown procedures. I have been trained and am certified on the John Deere 710 backhoe, the Case 570 skip loader grader, the Case W20C wheel loader, the Mustang 2060 skid steer, a GMC dump truck, the Cat 315 excavator, the Cat D9 dozer, the Cat D4 dozer, the Cat 430 backhoes, and a Cat 414E skip loader. In addition to this equipment, I am certified by Caterpillar on their M-Series road graders. You can view my equipment skills on my YouTube site, Hopkins. And now about my certificates. I am a certified grade checker. I can set up a transit, determine the height of instrument, shoot grade, verify my readings, calculate cut and fill, and communicate information on stakes or by other means. I can use a hand level and read an engineer's rule. I am certified in Dig Alert. The law requires that Dig Alert be utilized on every job. I can recognize facilities and identify substructures. I can delineate a work site, call in with proper information, verify facility activity, and pothole to their standards. I am construction mass certified. I can calculate cubic yards, safe working load for rope and wire rope, and sling stress for rigging. I can work with fractions, compile ratio charts, and lay out a slope. I am a certified rigger. The law requires that on every job, someone be responsible for the rigging. Over 90% of the time, the operator is given that responsibility. I can determine if the rigging is proper for the load, if it is in good working condition, and I know the ways to attach it to the load, using the basket, halter, and choker hitches with multiple wraps and legs. I am certified in oxygen acetylene cutting. A large number of permits that are being pulled today are demolition permits. I can set up the tanks, get a cutting flame, cut the steel, and do it all safely. I also know air brakes. I can do a compressor test, a leak test, and a governor test. I work within the proper operating range and drain the tanks daily. And now, a little bit about safety. I have been MSHA safety trained. MSHA is the only nationally recognized safety training program in the United States. There are no others. MSHA teaches us that we need to look after each other and share in the responsibility of keeping each other safe. My MSHA safety training focused upon personal safety, equipment safety, and environmental safety. And finally, my supervisor skills. As a supervisor, I was responsible for getting the work done through others and verifying that it was done properly and on time. I assigned work to those who were able to do the work and trained those who were not able so they would become able. You can see more of my skills and what I did to get certified by going to my YouTube site, Hopkins. You can contact me at 707-980-5874. Again, that phone number is 707-980-5874. Thank you.